Here we are at the Conoco at the north end of town. Where do you think we should go? Doesn't matter, right? How about east? It's unanimous. It's east. Let's rock. Hope you all are doing well. It's quite a circus of a world right now. It amazes me how the lemmings of society believe just about anything. You are living in the Truman Show. I hope all of you are staying sane, or as sane as possible. So let's take a ride and get all the phony bullshit out of the system. Oh hell, I guess if we're gonna go east, I better change lanes, huh? Okay, Woodside Crossing. Nicer up here in the north. Here we are at the famous intersection, Corvallis, Montana. Well, I guess it's not famous, but I've been past here so many times, it's famous to me. And we'll keep heading east. If we went south, that would be the quick way home, but that's no fun. So now we'll head toward the south on Willow Creek Road. Pretty far to the east of the Bitterroot Valley. I kind of forgot which road I'm on at this point. I know I've been here before, but it was last riding indeed, we're going to backtrack. Road, and we are going to cross over on Willow Cross Road. Cross over. Okay, boss? Got some pretty strong winds in the valley today. Reasonably nice weather. It's probably about 60 degrees, but the winds are picking up. We are at Hamilton Heights Road, so I think we're gonna go right. Right on Hamilton Heights. Rock on. You guessed it, Eastside Highway. Okay, now turning onto Hamilton Airport Road, because why not? Why not a nice vape at the airport to conclude this fun outing, this escape from the clown show of life, this after-work ride. Ooh, and there's a helicopter taking off. Bulldozer and helicopter dead ahead. This looks good right about here. One of these years I hope to take you guys flying, but I just don't have deep pockets, so it might be a while. That was a nice stop, nice vape. Let's hit the road, drop off the camera at home, then I gotta run some errands, and I don't think you want to see that. beats flying when you got a scooter. All the fun in the world for like, you know, a tenth of the price, right? Thanks for coming along. The journey never ends. Stay sane out there in this clown show, and I'll catch you all next time. And by the way, I wanted to ask anyone out there, any viewers, this is just a shot in the dark miracle unicorn, but if anybody's got a Tmax sitting in their garage, that's my absolute dream bike, scooter, whatever. And they're just so damn hard to find in this country. They stopped making them in 2015, and I can't afford a Kymco AK 550, although that would be fun as well. All right, I'll stop talking now.